Next journey. Image on and off. By learning off and on, I can create a quiz. Starting to copy template over. I didn't notice I hit an error, but end up learning that the studio won't tell you what's wrong. Yet it's just so simple, I pasted onto the wrong bracket. I wasted lots of time on these. In Design View, insert the picture. Select from Drawable. Modify the width and height to match _parent. In Visibility section, put visible for first pick, then gone for second pick. Another studio problem surface. Once the pick is gone, you cannot click or adjust. The only way to update it is through XML code. Next, I place a button for changing picture visibility. I rename the ID. From Template, I update the back button R. ID to search for new button toggle name. Now the back page button variable is ready to use. Now I have to create two variables for the two pictures. These two pick1 and pick2 image view variable will allow me to control all attributes in each pick. And of course each pick1 and pick2. You still need to use R ID to find the ID in XML. Same as web design. Document.all.getElement by ID. Now my pick1 and pick2 is pointed to image view 3 and 4. I can now control set visibility. On button press, the function change pick1 to gone and pick2 to visible. The picture changed from update picture to login picture. Now I am going to add button tray. so that button is placed inline instead of float to corner. The linear layout needs set constraint to work. Might as well copy whole code over as template. I end up using the design view to add constraint by clicking the plus button all four corner. Now the button can be controlled instead of stuck at top right corner. This linear layout help in my quiz making by placing two button inside linear layout. One button set visibility gone and other set visible. Both button will appear at same position.